Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Louis B. Moya. My agenda for today is technological tools, automation and AI, and implementations. Technological integrations to expedite the ordering and payments process reservations. First is technological tools. This will include a point of system to handle booking a customer relationship, management system to track your customer and their references, and a digital menu for easy ordering and updating. Ang nakapaloob naman dito sa technological tools is yung point of sales, in short POS system, to streamline ordering and payment process. Second is reservation system to manage booking. Third, customer relationship management, in short CRM system, to attract customer data and references. And lastly, digital menu for easy order placement and update. Next, automation and AI. To be evaluate our AI tools for waitlist management and customer service chatbots, which improve the efficiency of service and responsiveness. Ang nakapaloob naman dito sa automation and AI is yung waitlist management to optimize customer wait times. Second, customer service chatbots to improve service efficiency and responsiveness. Next, implementation. The phase implementation will be with POS, point of system and reservation, and then move to CRM, customer relationship management, and chatbots integrations. Ang nakapaloob naman dito sa implementation is phase 1, point of sales, in short POS and reservation system integrations. Phase 2, customer relationship management, in short CRM and chatbots integrations. That's it. Thank you.